Granulomatous prostatitis, as the name implies, is granulomatous inflammation of the prostate. It is a benign condition, and in most cases, around 70%, it is idiopathic with no known cause. The problem with granulomatous prostatitis is that it may mimic prostate cancer because the prostate is hard and nodular. The MRI may be suspicious, often PIRADS 5, and the PSA is often raised. Granulomatous prostatitis may occur when the prostatic ducts become blocked. The duct epithelium then becomes damaged, and this allows secretions from the prostate, cellular debris, sperm, corpora amylacea, etc. to leak into the prostatic stroma, resulting in a granulomatous inflammatory response with fibrosis. As I said before, the majority of cases of granulomatous prostatitis are idiopathic with no specific underlying cause, but specific causes of granulomatous prostatitis include bacteria such as TB. This may be tuberculous infection or, more usually in this country, BCG treatment for transitional cell carcinoma, fungi, parasites, viruses. Systemic granulomatous diseases can also cause granulomatous prostatitis, and it may also arise following surgery or radiotherapy. Grossly, there is destruction of the normal prostatic architecture. The prostate has a nodular appearance with yellow areas and feels hard. This is the gross appearance of granulomatous prostatitis with nodular, rather pale sclerotic areas. Histologically, there is destruction of ductal epithelium with neutrophil polymorphs, eosinophils, histiocytes, lymphocytes, plasma cells, and foreign body type giant cells around the damaged ducts, and these cells may form non-caseating granulomas, and in addition to this there will be fibrosis. Here is a low power view of a prostatic core biopsy showing features of granulomatous prostatitis. We're zooming into a duct containing a calculus, and towards the top end of the duct you can see that the lining epithelial cells are non-existent. So the lining of the duct has been breached, allowing the secretions to gain access to the surrounding prostatic stroma, resulting in the granulomatous prostatitis. And here is a higher power view of a duct showing intact epithelial cells at the bottom left of the picture, and as we move towards the top of the duct, the epithelial cells have been destroyed by acute inflammatory cells. And around this duct is a mixture of acute and chronic inflammatory cells together with multinucleate foreign body type giant cells. And here is a duct filled with neutrophil polymorphs, and the adjacent ductal epithelial cells are being destroyed. And finally, this is a well-formed granuloma in this example of granulomatous prostatitis.